In this video, we'll explore the Gizmo tool designed for fast, precise object manipulation in Shapelab. The Gizmo provides a unified interface for object transformations. It combines movement, rotation, scaling, and advanced modifiers into a single fluid system. The Gizmo is universally accessible and can be used both in scene mode and edit mode. In VR, you can toggle it instantly using the activation button on your offhand controller. You can also customize its size to match your workspace. Go to Options, User Preferences, Visual Indicators, Gizmo Scale. This allows you to adjust the visual scale for better comfort and visibility. Beyond basic transformations, the Gizmo includes advanced controls for high-precision editing. You can perform non-uniform scaling by dragging individual axis handles to scale objects along X, Y, or Z independently. Snap modifiers allow precise, incremental adjustments for movement, rotation, and scaling. For delicate edits, use slow drag modifiers to reduce motion sensitivity and fine-tune transformations. You can also quickly reset position, rotation, or scale directly through the Gizmo using built-in shortcuts. The Gizmo includes interactive widgets that act as quick access controls for key behaviors. Quickly toggle between local, global, parent, or custom reference spaces. Visual indicators clearly show which mode is active. Grab the pivot widget to enter origin editing mode instantly. This lets you reposition the object's pivot without switching tools or breaking your workflow. You can click the widget to switch between primary options or scroll to access all available modes. Here are the most important Gizmo shortcuts in VR. Toggle the Gizmo using the offhand Y button. Grab it using the trigger or grip on your main hand. Enable snapping while grabbing using the opposite trigger or grip. Press the offhand stick while grabbing to reset transforms. Hold the offhand trigger for precision drag. Press the X button while scaling to invert the transform. These shortcuts help you maintain a fast, uninterrupted workflow while sculpting in VR.